Hi everyone, today I'm very happy to tell you about a topic, how to use pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt is a pink-colored salt extracted from the Khewra Salt Mine, which is located near the Himalayas in Pakistan. The pink Himalayan salt harvested from the mine is believed to have been formed millions of years ago from the evaporation of ancient bodies of water. Like table salt, pink Himalayan salt is mostly comprised of sodium chloride. However, the natural harvesting process allows pink Himalayan salt to possess many other minerals and trace elements that are not found in regular table salt. So, pink Himalayan salt contains more minerals. Both table salt and pink Himalayan salt consist mostly of sodium chloride, but pink Himalayan salt has up to 84 other minerals and trace elements. These include common minerals like potassium and calcium, as well as lesser known minerals like strontium and molybdenum. One study analyzed the mineral contents of various types of salts, including pink Himalayan salt and regular table salt. So below is comparison of well-known minerals found in a gram of the two salts. You can see in the screen this is a table. As you can see, table salt may have more sodium, but pink Himalayan salt contains more calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. So, how is pink Himalayan salt used? Pink Himalayan salt has several dietary and non-dietary use. You can eat it or cook with it. In general, you can cook with pink Himalayan salt just like you could with regular table salt. Put it in sauces or add it to your food at the dinner table. Some people even use pink Himalayan salt as a cooking surface. Pink Himalayan salt can be purchased finely ground just like regular table salt, but it is not uncommon to also find coarsely fertilized salt in larger crystal size. Considerations for cooking. Whenever you are measuring any kind of salt by volume, it's important to consider how finely it's ground. You may need to use larger quantities of coarse salt to match the saltiness of finely ground salt. This is because finely ground salt is packed closer together than coarse salt, so there are more of it in a particular volume. Finally, non-dietary use. While pink Himalayan salt has several dietary use, there are also a number of popular non-dietary use. Pink Himalayan salt is used in some bath salts, which claim to improve skin conditions and soothe sore muscle. Salt lamps are also often made out of pink Himalayan salt and claimed to remove air pollutants. These lamps consist of large blocks of salt with an inner light source that heats the salt. Summary: you can use pink Himalayan salt just like regular salt when you are cooking. Bath salts, salt lamp, and salt case are popular non-dietary use of pink Himalayan salt. Some of pink Himalayan salts commonly promote health claims include that it can improve respiratory disease, balance your body's pH, reduce signs of aging, improve sleep quality, regulate blood sugar, increase libido. Okay, that's all. If you see this is a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.